Hi everyone, I'm Yan and welcome to my table. Looking for an easy make-ahead lunch idea? Look no further. Make these hot dog wrapped in soft, fluffy Asian bread today. You'll love the results. For the bread, you'll need in a large bowl, add the flour, sugar, and the instant yeast and mix to disperse. Crack in an egg and add in the milk. Lightly mix the dough before sprinkling in the salt. Mix again with the spatula and transfer it to the stand mixer if using. Otherwise, just knead by hand. In the stand mixer, mix on speed 2 for a couple of minutes and then add in the softened butter. Mix on low to incorporate the butter into the dough completely. Sometimes it's just faster to do this part by hand. Once the butter is in, turn up the speed to 3 and continue kneading for 8 minutes or until you've got a dough that is tacky to the touch but does not stick to your fingers. Scrape it out and form it into a smooth ball before leaving it to rise covered. In the meantime, prep the hot dogs by boiling them for a few minutes. You can skip this step if you feel confident about your hot dogs or sausages. After about 1 to 1.5 hours, your dough should have risen to over 2 times its size. Deflate the air and scrape all of it onto a flat surface. Lightly shape and divide into 10 equal pieces. They should weigh about 55 to 60 grams each. Then pre-shape each piece into a smooth ball by tucking it repeatedly onto itself. Leave them to rest for 10 minutes covered. After which, roll the ball of dough into a long oval. Then, with a dough scraper or any flat-edged tool, slice the center of the oval into strands, leaving the ends intact. Then, take a hot dog and roll it into the dough. Wrap the entire piece of dough around the hot dog and pinch the ends tightly to close. Leave the shaved buns resting on its seam. Repeat the process 9 more times. Additionally, you can include condiments like mustard or ketchup onto the buns directly, which will add extra flavor. Place them spaced out on the baking tray and let them rise again in a warm, draft-free place. When they're ready for the oven, brush with egg wash and sprinkle the top with sesame seeds. Then into the oven for about 20 minutes. When they come out of the oven, they'll be bronzed, glazed, and baked to perfection. Move them to cool down on wire racks. Eat them warm or at room temperature. They're great for packed lunches or meals on the go. Store in plastic bags in the fridge and they'll keep for a week. Just warm it up in the oven or microwave before eating. And as always, go to yansfamilytable.com for the full written recipe. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more recipes like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.